Hi guys, I'm checking out this, what is it? It's called Plenty Gorge. I came prepared and I'm using a what's it called, a gimbal. Just getting used to it for the first time. The only thing that I didn't bring is like spare shoes, like walking shoes. Hang on. You've lost me now. Totally lost me. Give me a sec. Okay. Yeah, it's a beautiful scenery here. Water's muddy. Yeah, it was actually on my mind to bring spare walking shoes, because with my Alpine Stars Adventure boots, I mean, I can walk for a short distance. When it comes to walking longer distances, it's quite uncomfortable. And this is all walking trails. That's fine. Yeah, looks like the gimbal's doing its job. Really nice. It's a beautiful place. This is yeah, it's part of Mill Park. I think Mill Park, South Morang, Parklands. If you go onto their website, there's plenty of information. It's called Plenty Gorge. So I've been told the walkway goes around. There's a lot of walkways. I've just taken one of them. I've got a backpack with all my gear, equipment. Just wanted to do something different because I can't always ride. And like make content, if that makes sense. Let me see. Okay, so up is down, down is up. I wonder why that is. Up is down, down is up, right and left. Okay, just getting used to this thing, this device. This is where we're going. Go down. Yep, that's good. That's good. So I think during summer you'll need to watch out for the snakes, like eastern brown snakes. Oh, I see. Oh, it's muddy and slippery. Yeah, go through. Yeah, no, you can go through. Just be careful. Yeah, it's slippery.
It's so good.
Wow. He's doing really good. He's doing mountain biking. It's actually a good trail to do mountain biking. So I've seen two other guys, father and son, on their bicycles. And he told me that they rode all the way from Doreen, 11 kilometers. I said, that's a good effort. Really good effort. See if I can zoom in. Oh, I like this gimbal, man. Nice. So I borrowed this from my cousin, and looks like I'm gonna have to get one because like I've got the what is 2-in-1 tripod. It's called the Insta360 Magic Tripod. The problem is, like when I attach that to my action cam, and start walking with these boots, yeah, these boots, it's just like you see the camera like this, even when I have the stabilization on. So this gimbal, with its motorized actions and all that, it just smooths everything out. There's two other gentlemen. I just spoke to them before. They're from England, and I was talking to them about the World Cup. Nice couple. So water here, there's a water crossing. This is quite an adventure, isn't it? That's why I call my channel Adventure Blitz, just to let everyone know once again. So adventure could be anything. It doesn't specifically or necessarily mean that just doing enduro riding, you know. Could be out on the bicycle, scooter, e-bike, push bike, you know. Yeah, just walking, hiking, camping. So that's all part of adventure. And there was a few, I think, knuckleheads who said, you know, adventure's more this, more that. Adventure's actually anything and everything that you want it to be. Yeah, these are push bike tire trails. It's beautiful here. Weather's good. It's about 16 degrees. It's slippery. I almost slipped. It's very slippery. You have to take it easy. Quite slippery. Almost fell. Let's have a look. Sorry, the other way. It's nice. It is nice. See, I'll zoom in. 2x. That's 2x zoom. It's doing really good, this gimbal. I've got my Insta360 Mic Pro hooked up. So I've been doing all the audio recordings from the internal audio files. Yeah, it's just you just need like good set of like hiking shoes if you want to come here. Because even with my adventure boots, it's slippery. It's slippery. Just go easy. All right, that is good. So does it go up? I got like 10 kilos in my backpack. It all adds up. At least the weather's nice and cool. It's a big area, this park. Okay. All right. Now I'm going to go up some stairs. Yeah, that's right. Come through. It's slippery, yeah? You'll be right. Yeah. He's a good rider. He's a good rider. You can tell. That's how you can tell. Okay. So we're going up or down? Okay. Just take your time. That was good. Really nice. Look out. 2x, 1x. We'll keep going. Ah man, next time definitely bringing my walking shoes. I got hiking shoes and walking shoes. Oh. Look at that. So how long, I wonder, this goes for? I think it goes all the way around. Birds are chirping. They're on the trees. There's one up there. Oh, it's steep. Look at that. That is steep. Look how steep that is. So yeah, once again, the reason why I'm using the gimbal is that sometimes I get off the motorbike and then like I might talk to someone, I might want to take footage of a motorbike or car or something, you know, or like scenery. Then with just a handheld tripod, it's not really a good capture, good video quality. My legs are burning. We're walking uphill now. Okay. So, just looking to see where it ends up. Okay, stop recording. Stop recording.